Have you ever had the impression to have a full and transparent view on machine availability, maintenance, or available tooling? Do you need quick decision-making for work order scheduling? Are you tired of complex IT projects and want a fast digital shop floor approach? Klingelnberg's Smart Factory Suite is now the state-of-the-art digital solution designed to revolutionize your manufacturing operations. It offers you surprisingly easy integration, holistic traceability, and guaranteed flexibility. It will enable you to gain actionable insights and improve overall productivity. This digital platform doesn't just stop at monitoring and OEE calculations. Smart Factory really orchestrates your entire production process, encompassing planning, scheduling, work order tracking, tool life monitoring, and both quality as well as maintenance management. The Klingelnberg Smart Factory boosts you to a new era in digital manufacturing. By integrating advanced monitoring, real-time insights, and data-driven management, it gives you the highest transparency. Increase your productivity, reduce downtime, and deliver superior quality. Stay ahead with Smart Factory and begin the digital journey today. Your functional Smart Factory is just a week ahead.